द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तृ श्रीमत् परमशिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान् गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संग सत्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्याभवर्गवश विश्रानजी मूत परम मत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु शपन शाक्यादि महांतकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार्ह ध्वजोचेतन पूर्वक श्रीमत् वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामी नाम अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ तृणवत्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधानम कैलास परंपरागत सूर्यवंश सर्वज्ञ पीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य शासक महानिर्वाणी पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगत गुरु शील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थं तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेमस्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्त दुरिदोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्त मंगलावाप्यर्थं भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव स्वामी कृपा कटाक्षेन पूर्ण आरोग्य युक्त दृढ़गात्र यौगिक शरीर सिद्ध्यर्थं परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करणार्थं सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासं करिष्ये। ओम अपोपस्पृश्य अथ प्रथम योग विन्यास क्रमः। Now we'll be entering into the asana. The first is Sukhasana. Sit comfortable in a cross-legged position, head, neck, spine in a straight line, hands resting on knees, and index finger and thumb finger joined together. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye and japa Soham Sukhasanam. Tat Sukhasanamityuktam Ashattastat Samacharet Asanam Vijitam Yena Jitam Tena Jagatrayam. The next is Parvatasana. In Padmasana or cross-leg position, inhale arms up, straight above the head, bringing the palms together. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Anjali Mudra. Visualize Mount Kailash in your third eye and japa Soham Parvatasana. अथ वक्षे महादेव yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Halipavasanam. पूरववितियाहु मे जानो उभे पगतलि संपुटतानो पिष्टुपच्ये दोहो कर लियावो दचन कर सोवा महगावो पिष्टु हत्केलाम की है जोही हम हित भूमि तरे सोई पुनिललाटी भूपरिताने ये ट्याम लहता माही आने. The next is Nagi Pavasanam. Inhaling, rising up, and exhale forward. Bring soles together by body, elbow on legs, cup palms on floor, and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize snake in your third eye and Japa Soham, Nagi Pavasana. पूरवविधि परि आगाने नेचो होई कहूनी पहास्यो लगाई हाथ आघानी धरती लगावे पसारी तो हाथ की अंजूली करे भूयडि परि लगावे दृष्टि नासा आग्र आसन कौगुल शरीर भिता जाई. The next is Kokilasanam. Hold big toes with your index and middle finger. Straighten legs and exhale to Padmasanam. Exhale down and elbows down, eyes forward and down. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize a bird in your third eye. Kokilasanam. अतान्यदासनं वक्ष्ये येन सिद्धो भवेन्नरः अकस्मात् वायुसञ्चारं कोकिलाक्यासनेन च ऊर्ध्वे हस्तद्वयं कृत्वा तदग्रे पादयो सुधीः वृत्ताङ्गुष्ठद्वयं नाथ शनैः शनैः प्रकारयेत्. The next is Neti-asana. Inhale, rise up and stack ankles and knees. Hold elbows. Circle both directions, purifying the nadis, churning the prana vayu while gazing at your nose. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Neti Asanam. गोवा भावा पादक आहिली सोई दच चरण को वारलो था परि गुल्प समोई वाम पाद हो महिलो बहुरो गुल्प चुजानो ता परि गोडा दच की आचानो. The next is Gajasana. Inhale onto the hands and feet, hips up and scoop nose to the ground repeatedly. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize elephant in your third eye. Gajasana. Nyukcham padagre bhutva lambhi bhuyamastagre nidaya nidhamurtva नाभिलक्ष्यं भूमो नासिकामानीय हस्ततलपर्यन्तं नयेत् इत्थं पुनः पुनः कुर्यात् भवति. The next is Rikshasana. Stop motion and heels to the ground. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a bead in your third eye. Rikshasana. Ekaikam padamakunchya Gajasanam kuryat Rikshaasanam bhavati. Then is Vaishyasanam. Stepping forward, inhale rising up and heels soft, balance on big toes. Index, middle and ring finger of the hands touching the heart center. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Hridaya Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Vaishyasanam. केशेन पादयुगलं बद्ध्वा तिष्ठेत धूमुखः अथ वैश्यावक्षे यत्कृत्वा सत्यवान् भवेत्. Now we'll be moving to Urdhva Janukarana. Aramandi half squatting position and heels together. Toes outward and knees wide. Back of hands resting on waist. Bring both palms to the chest level. Lift the right knee towards chest in a circular simultaneously. Respective hand follow the foot movement and return to Aramandi and repeat on the other side. Shankari Mudra. Visualize holding a child in your third eye. Bhalalingasanam. एकं जानोरसि मालिङ्ग्य स्थातव्यं बाललिङ्गनं भवति. The next is Padapitanasana. Bring the heel to the buttocks, interlace fingers and hold foot behind back, keeping the knees together, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bhanda and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Padapitanasana. स्थित्वैकस्मिन् पादतले कराभ्यां वेष्टयेतनुं पृष्ठे संस्थाप्य यत्नेन पादपीठनमासनम्. The next is Natarajasana. Right hand catch inside of foot. Inhale and lift right leg. Left arm and extend out and up with index finger and thumb joined together. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Lord Nataraja in your third eye. Natarajasanam. Uttanapadam kraumcham cha marityam veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. Now we'll be moving back to Balalingasana on the other side. Balalingasanam. एकं जानूरसि मालिङ्ग्य स्थातव्यं बाललिङ्गनं भवति. The next is Padapitanasana. स्थित्वैकस्मिन् पादतले कराभ्यां वेष्टयेतनुं पृष्ठे संस्थाप्य यत्नेन पादपीठनमासनम्. The next is Natarajasana on the other side. उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीच्यं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. Next is Atarachitakaranam. From Aramandi, cross ankles, right foot behind, heels raised. Then left hand on the chest and right hand making a pendulum movement. The fingers moving inwards towards the palm and then outwards. Then the right palm is placed onto the nose. Uncross ankles, heels together, right hand circular motion, fingertips point to the floor. Now we'll be moving to skeleton dance. Visualize yourself as a pure bone and start shaking your body intensely. opening the arms, cross the wrist over your head, and continue the motion, repeating to the other side. Now we'll be moving to Tadasana. Stand tall, inhale arms up, palms facing one another, engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a palm tree in your third eye. And Japa Shivoham, Tadasana. Mahamudra Bhattakono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priyam. The next is Uttanasana. Exhale arms down and hands by your feet, head to knees, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Uttanasana. Mahamudra Bhattakono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priyap. The next is Tarakshvasana. Step or jump feet back in a plank position. Tuck chin in Jalandhara Bandha. Rotate head from side to side. Engaging yourself in Jalandhara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Shivoham. Tarakshvasana. Gajasana mastakam varam varam Dakshina Kukshim Savya Kukshim Nayet Tarakshvasanam Bhavati. The next will be moving to Bhujangasana. Exhale and lower body to the ground, palms on floor, below shoulders and flattened feet. Raise chest and head up using strength of your lower back. Open your mouth wide and inhale through your back of the throat. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and visualize Cobra in your third eye, Bhujangasana. Japa Shivoham. Angushtanabhiparyantam Ato Bhumo Vininyaset Karabhyam Chataram Dhritva Urdvasishah Panivahi Dehagnirvartate Nityam Sarvaroga Vinashanam Jagarti Bhujagi Devi Bhujangasana Sadhanat. The next is Shashasana. Tuck toes and bring hips up. Alternative knees to the chest continuously. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Shashasana. Gajasana samstito janudvayamakunchya varam varam kartavyam shashasanam bhavati. The next is Ratasana. Step one foot between hands and alternating jumping your feet between hands, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize chariot in your third eye and Japa Shivoham Ratasana. Gajasana samstito ekaikam padam puro margena brahmahitva kartavyam Ratasanam bhavati. The next is Virabhadrasana. Stop movement and both hips forward. Front knee bent at 90 degree and back leg straight at 45 degree. Spine straight. Inhale, arms overhead. Gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Virabhadra in your third eye. Virabhadrasana. Vasishtamata Kauntinyam Urdhva Kukkutameva cha Ashtavakramato Tana Mayuram Setu Bandhanam Uttanapadam Kraum Chamcha Maricham Virabhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam cha Suptangashta Prasarane. Next we'll be repeating the Virabhadrasana on the other side. Vasishtamata Kauntinyam Urdhva Kukkutameva cha Ashtavakramato Tana Mayuram Setu Bandhanam Uttanapadam Kraum Chamcha Maricham Virabhadrakam त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. Now we'll be moving to Vrikshasana. Ground one foot and place the opposite sole on the inner thigh. Bring palms together and inhale as you raise them above your head. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Anjali Mudra. Visualize a tree in your third eye and japa Shivoham. Vrikshasana. वामूरमूललेधेशे यां यं पादं निधायतु तिष्ठेतु वृक्षवद्भूमो वृक्षासनमिदं विदुः. The next is Garudasanam. Exhale, arms down and press foot on outer hip. Keep opposite leg straight like a rod and palms together in front of your heart. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Namaskara Mudra. Visualize Lord Garuda in your third eye and japa Shivoham. Garudasanam. गरुडासनमावक्ष्ये येन ध्यानं स्थिरं भवेत् सर्वदोषाधिविनिर्मुक्तो भवतीयमहाबली एकपादं मुरो भत्वा एकपादेन दण्डवत् जङ्घापादसन्धिदेशे ज्ञानव्यक्रं व्यवस्थितम् एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. The next will be repeating the Vrikshasana on the other side. वामौरमूललेधेशे यां यं पादं निधायतु तिष्ठेतु वृक्षवद्भूमो वृक्षासनमिदं विदुः. The next is Garudasana on the other side. गरुडासनमावक्ष्ये येन ध्यानं स्थिरं भवेत् सर्वदोषाधिविनिर्मुक्तो भवतीयमहाबली एकपादं मुरो भत्वा एकपादेन दण्डवत् जङ्घापादसन्धिदेशे ज्ञानव्यक्रं व्यवस्थितम् एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. Next, we'll be moving to Trikonasana. Step leg apart. Inhale, arms parallel to floor. Exhale, front hand to the floor, other to sky. Open up raised shoulder and gaze through the raised hand. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize triangle in your third eye. Trikonasana. उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. The next will be moving to Trikonasana on the other side. उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. Standing in Aramandi, hand horizontal, palms facing each other. Alternately thrash the heel to the floor. Simultaneously switch the palm position. Now we'll be moving to Angushtasana. Exhale, arms down, step back on your mat, feet together and lower on toes, sit on heels, palms together in front of your heart. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Namaskara Sadashivoham. Saurasana. प्रसार्यैकं पादतलं संस्थाप्य यद्वेकपादकं. The next is Vidurnasana. Inhale, right arm up and exhale, hold toes. Left hand to the heel, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Vidurnasana. गुल्पो स्थितो पादमेकं प्रसार्य तत्पादाग्रं संस्पृशे तत्करेण गुल्पं चान्यमं धारये तत्करेण धूनं पीतं चाभ्यसे चोभयत्र. Now we'll be repeating the Saurasana on the other side. प्रसार्यैकं पादतलं संस्थाप्य यद्वेकपादकं. Next is Vidurnasana on the other side. गुल्पोस्थितो पादमेकं प्रसार्य तत्पादाक्रं संस्पृशे तत्करेण गुल्पं चान्यमं धारये तत्करेण धूनं पीतं चाभ्यसे चोभयत्र. Now we'll be moving to Brahmajurangasana. Bring your feet together on toes, knees together. Sit on heels and palms facing upward on the knees, engaging yourself in Jalantra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Brahmajurangasana. Dovu panapani hoi vaise, edido gudani vaise, kora pagatalya ki mahili, apasa mahira kehili, dovu goda aage aane, sudho kare umchale dane, hath dole upar tare, hateli sudhi kare. The next is Kapilasana. Place knees on ground and spread wide apart. Hands on respective knees and gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Kapila in your third eye, Kapilasana. Ubhe pagatali samadherave, tinko mahili kora milave, panapani okatu hoi vaise, edido jonini vaise, godadu bhumi lagave, samasarira nikat harave, hastato goda parirase, nasa drishti achal kar dhase. The next is Bhadragorakasana. In the same posture as Kapilasana, but switch your gaze to your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Bhadragorakasana. Dovu pagatalli samputakare, koravarili bhuparidare, koravarili rake aise, tapari mooladhvari tike baise, goda pidi bhuparidake, hatato goda parirake, drishti triguti madhyachutane, tako gora bhadra bakane. Next, we'll be moving to Suryasana. On toes, sit on heels. Knees up and wide. Bring thumbs together and spread finger wide, forming a lotus. Inhale, arms up and gaze through your palm. Engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Padma Mudra. Visualize God Surya in your third eye, Suryasanam. Yedido gudatari ane, panapani bhaitaka punitane, goda jang adar kar rahe, adhe bhame aise vide gahe, dovo bhuja nabati sapasare, kamal swarup anguri dare, pahuchya madi chitra punitane, chitra vise puni drishti ju ane. Next is Mandukasana. Here the new pranayama, Sahaja, easy breathing through your nose. Mandukasana, lower arms and knees, relax toes, sit between the heels and palms on knees, pressing tongue against hollow in the mouth, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Manduki Mudra. Visualize frog in your third eye, Mandukasana. पादतलो पृष्ठदेशे अंगुष्ठे ते संस्पृशेत् जानुयुग्मं पुरस्कृत्य साधयेत् मंडुकासनम्. The next will be moving to Uttana Mandukasana. Inhale, arms up and hands to opposite shoulder, pressing tongue against hollow in the mouth. Visualize frog in your third eye, engaging yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Manduki Mudra. And Japa Sadashivoham Uttana Mandukasanam. Mandukasana madhyastam kurparabhyam dridam shiraha etat bekavaduttana metaduttana mandukam. The next is Simhasana. Exhale, arms down and cross right ankle over left. Place right heel underneath perineum. Hands on knees and exhale, sticking tongue out while gazing at your nose. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a line in your third eye. Simhasana. दक्षिणं सव्यगुल्पेन दक्षिणेन तथेतरं हस्तो जानुर्संस्थाप्य स्वाङ्गुलीश्च प्रसार्य च व्यक्तावक्त्रो निरीक्ष्येत नासाग्रं सुसमाहितः सिंहासनं भवेतेतत् पूजितं योगिभिः सदा. The next will be moving to Bhadrasana 2. Uncross ankles and soles together. Sit on heels and knees wide. Cross in back. Hold opposite toes and gaze at your. Engaging yourself in Jalanthara Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Bhadrasana. Gulpoto vrishanyadaha Sivanyo parshvayoshipet Padapashvetu panibhyam Tridambatva sunishchalam Bhadrasanam bhavetetat Sarvavyati pishapaham. The next is Kakapusanti Asana. Squat on flat feet and knees wide. Reach around knees to the long fingers behind and gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize a crow in your third eye. Kakapusanti Asana. प्रथमे बैसक उकटे ताने दो हाथ पगाम व्याचे आने तिनको मोड़ी नल्याम परिलावे पिष्ट बच्चे काकसी करवे. Now we'll be moving to Kanipavasana. Palms on floor and shoulder width, hips up and bring knees above elbows and point toes and slightly lift head. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Kanipavasana. Asana kauguna asi dushati hoi tu achi hoi. The next is Kapilasana. Head to ground and knees on elbows. Stretch legs up and at your nose. Visualize Swamiji and engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Kapilasana. Sisa sisa dharti te ki gato milave uche kukare pagatalya akasati sa sanamusurase dovu hata ki hateli dovu pasadhya dharti te ku drishtina sa agra. Now we'll be moving to Pashva Mayurasana. Palms on ground and shoulder width. Knees to one side of the body. Press elbow to the knees up. Lean forward and toes up. Stretch leg to the side. Gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize peacock in your third eye. Pashva Mayurasana. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam Kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. We'll be repeating on the other side. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam Kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. Now we'll be moving to Bhairanganatha Asana. Walk or jump into plank and bring one leg over shoulder. Foot between hands and gaze at your third eye. Visualize God Bhairanganatha in your third eye and engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Bhairanganatha Asana. Asana kauguna piti jayi. We'll be repeating on the other side. Asana kauguna piti jayi. Now we'll be moving to Unmukha Pitasana. From plank, press forearms down, hips up high on tip of your toes and gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and japa Sadashivoham. Unmukha Pitasanam. Bhunyastu januni hastu chatushpadanavan mukam uttapidhangri yugala katistalana bhiruka. Now we'll be moving to Vashishtasana. From plank, plant one hand and weight onto the side. Keep hand underneath your shoulder. Hips raised up and raise opposite and hands straight up and gaze through your palm. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Vashishta in your third eye. Vashishtasana. ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटवासिष्ठ मरीचिहलमत्स्यकं परिवृत्तिं चोदरस्य विवितं धनुरासनम्. Now we'll be repeating on the other side. ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटवासिष्ठ मरीचिहलमत्स्यकं परिवृत्तिं चोदरस्य विवितं धनुरासनम्. Now we'll be moving to Anjani Asana. From plank, jump forward, stretch legs straight, toes pointed up, head, neck, spine in a straight line, elbows next to the body. Sit on upturned palms and gaze at your nasal. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Hanuman in your third eye. Anjani Asana. Dovu kargi ube hateli, koravarili mele bheli, so agamni bhuparidahe, mahamani amguli milirase. Now we'll be moving to Paschimottanasana. Inhale arms up and exhale chest forward and down. Flat back and reach for feet and hold big toes with index and middle fingers. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Paschimottanasana. Janu parilalatam tu paschimam tanamuchyate yena kena prakarena sukham dharyam cha jayate. The next is Ugrasana. Inhale up and slightly separate feet apart. Interlace finger behind the head. Exhale, leaning chest forward and head towards the knee. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Goddess Kali in your third eye. Ugrasanam. Swapanibhyam dhridam dhritva janu parisironyased asano gramitam proktam bhavetanila deepanam dehavasana haranam paschimottasana samyakam ya etat asanam shreshtam pratyaham sadayet sudihi. The next is Marichi Asana. Bend one knee and bring heel towards perineum. Respective arms reaches in and around raised knee. Hold hand behind back. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Marichi in your third eye. Marichi Asana. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veera bhatrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. The next is Mahamudrasana. Lower knee to the floor. Inhale arms up and exhale chest forward and hold toes. Engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Mahamudrasanam. Mahamudra bhatta kono tadasana vibhedakan vinotanam sata kuryat antarvatni pati priya. Next we'll be repeating the Marichi Asana on the other side. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veera bhatrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. The next is Mahamudrasana. Mahamudra bhatta kono tadasana vibhedakan vinotanam sata kuryat antarvatni pati priyam. The next is Bhadrasana. Soles together, heels at your perineum. Hands holding the feet by their sides. Remain motionless and gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhadrasanam. Gulpoto Vrisha. Pull the heel and distance away from the groin. Inhale, hold soles of the feet with all 10 fingers. Exhaling, elbows on the ground near the chin. Lean the whole body forward and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Yoni Mandala in your third eye. Yoni Asana. Dovu pagatalli samputa kare yedi medike dingadare arthahatuko antaro rase lilate pagatalyam upare dase. Maha The next is Midaki Pavasana. Inhale up and heels together, toes apart, forehead on ground, near heels, and arms to the side over knees, palms on floor and gaze fixed at your nose. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Midaki Pavasana. पूर्व विधि परि पकतल्लि संपोटे सोलागेटि मिले रास्ये येड्यासो माहिले गहूनि अगुल्लतो अडवारे निलाटे धरती लगावे. The next is Siddha Samadhi Asana. Inhale up and slightly separate the feet about 8 fingers apart from the heels. Exhale, arms between thigh and shin, palms up and nose on ground, and toes touch your throat. Gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Siddha Samadhi Asana. Dovu pagatalli sampota kare, sola agha me dare, agulla ato antaro rase, edi ko aise vidhe dase. The next is Chinaki Pavasana. Inhale up and heels together, toes apart, feet open up like a book, and keeping back of fingers and hands on ground, elbow on knees, and gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Chinaki Pavasana. धोवो पगा की घेडी धरती लगावे मेडिया लगावे पगतल्ली माहिली कोरो मिले रासे. The next is Charapata Chukasana. Sit up straight and soles together, hands on knees and press down. Gaze between your eyebrows, engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Charapata Chukasana. दोवो पगतल्ली संपोट दरे आगामने गरे जोरे पसारे घोड़ा भूसो लगाते रासे हाथ दो घोड़ा परिदासे. The next is Bhairavasana. Lift heels off ground and toes down, knees wide on ground with hands by their side. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhairavasana. गुल्पो सम्पीड्य चानुन्यं युक्त्रमेनं गितं शनैः जानोर्पार्श्वगता हस्तु दण्डवद्भैरवासनम्. Now we'll be moving to Samanasana. Place one of the heel of one foot at the perineum and hold the other foot to the chest level. Gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Samanasanam. Samanasanamavakshe Siddhamantradi sadhanat Ekapadam muro datva Guhyonyalingavatkare Etat virasanam nata Samanasana samyakam Ityakritya japen mantram Dritva vayum chadurtale. The next is Apanasanam. Bring one knee over shoulder, hand on floor. Extend other leg and gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Apanasanam. Kevalam padame kancha skande charopya yatnatah ekapadena gahane tishte dandavat prapo apanasana me dhatti sarvesham purakashrayam kritva sukshme sishapatme samaro yubhavayubihi. Now we'll be repeating the Samanasana on the other side. समानासनमावक्षे सिद्धमन्त्रादिसाधनात् एकपादं मुरो दत्वा गुह्योऽन्यलिङ्गवत्करे एतद्वीरासनं नाथ समानासनसम्यकम् इत्याकृत्य जपेन्मन्त्रं धृत्वा वायुं चतुर्थले. Now we'll be repeating the Apanasana on the other side.
केवलं पादमेकं च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा सूक्ष्मे शीर्षपद्मे समारोयुभवायुभिः. Now we'll be moving to Gomukhasana. Start knees and heels by hip, both sitting bones on your mat, on the mat, finger interlaced on knees, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize a cow's face in your third eye. And Japa is Mahanityanandoham, Gomukhasana. Savya Dakshina Gulpam tu Prishtaparshve Niyojayet Dakshine Pitata Savyam Gomukam Gomukam Yata. The next is Anusyasana. Remaining in the same position, change the hand to the whole big toes with index and middle fingers. Gaze at the tip of your nose. Engaging yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Goddess Anusuya in your third eye. Anusyasanam. Dachina Koda Nichotane Vavom Take Upare Ane Goda Sandhi Mile Bhare Adavare Puni Sandhi Pasare. The next is Anusyasana 2. Interlace finger behind your back. Exhale, chest down, chin over knee and nose to the ground. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Goddess Anusuya in your third eye. Anusyasana 2. Jimana Godaki Sandhi Uparidave Godaki Sandhi Mile Rase. The next is Garudasana 2. Inhale up and top knee to the chest. Heel on the other foot, hands on respective knees, spine straight, gaze at your nose. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize eagle in your third eye. Garudasana 2. Davopaga Modi Yedi Mahalyam Gulpa Moolatwari Niche De Baise. The next is Naradasana. Keeping one knee and leg flat on the floor, raise your seat up and place perineum above its heel. Keep opposite knee raised with foot placed on top of your sole and by other foot. Interlace fingers behind your neck and bring your elbows together outside of the raised knee and gaze at your third eye. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize sage Narada in your third eye. Naradasanam. Pishticho Vama Pagatalli Keri Bhuparita Ke Laghave Pare Goda Sudaho Panahe Joyi Dachibasate Rase Soi. The next is Matsya Pitakasana. Bring your lower foot and place it on the thigh of the raised knee. Grab arm and around your legs, holding opposite shin and extended hand around and the down towards feet. Holding the big toe with index and middle fingers. Engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Matsya, a fish avatar of Lord Vishnu in your third eye. Matsya Pitakasana. Vamena Vamagushtam tu Grihitam Matsya Pitakam Yoni Vamena Sampitya Medradu Paridakshinam. Now we'll be going back to Gomukhasana on the other side. Savya Dakshina Gulpam tu Prishtaparshve Niyojayet Dakshine Pitata Savyam Gomukam Gomukam Yata. The next is Anusyasana on the other side. Dachina Koda Nichotane Vavom Take Upare Ane Goda Sandhe Mile Bhare Adavaye Puni Sandhi Pasare. The next is Anusyasana 2 on the other side. Jimana Godaki Sandhi Uparidave Godaki Sandhi Mile Rase. Godya Sule Pagatalya Lavu Adavare Sandhi Pasare. The next is Garudasana. Davo Paga Modi Yedi Mahalyam Gulpap Moolatware Niche De Baise. The next is Naradasana on the other side. Pishtichu Vamapagatallikeri Uparita Kelagave Pare Goda Sudaho Panahe Joyi Dachipasa Tera Se Soyi. The next is Matsya Pitakasana on the other side. वामेन वामागुष्टं तु गृहीतं पीठमत्स्यकं योनि वामेन सम्पीड्य मेढ्रातु परिदक्षिणम्. Now we'll be moving to Matsyendrasana. Keeping one foot on opposite thigh, put on the elbow onto the thigh of opposite raised knee and its palm holding the face. Twist outside raised knee and keeping the other hand on floor behind. Gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Matsyendrasana. Udharam paschimabhasam कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नाम्रागं वामपादं हि दक्षिणजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र यां यां कूर्परां च यां यां करे च वत्करं भ्रुवो मध्ये गतं दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते. The next we'll be moving to Kubhasana. From Matsyendrasana, release the hand from the face, reaching for the toes and raise the back hand, bringing the thumb to your ears. Gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize camel in your third eye. Kubhasanam. Asana Kauguna Jolo Jaye. Now we'll be repeating the next is Matsyendrasana 2. From Kubhasana, bring your front hand to the hole to hold the front chin. Release back hand onto the ground behind you. Twist to look behind and bring gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Matsya, fish avatar of Lord Vishnu, in your third eye. Matsyendrasana 2. मत्स्येन्द्रपीठं जडरप्रदीप्तिं प्रचण्डरुक्मण्डलखण्डनास्त्रम् अभ्यासदकुण्डलिनी प्रबोधं दण्डस्थिरत्वं निददाति पुंसात्. Now we'll be going back to Matsyendrasana on the other side. उदरं पश्चिमाभासं कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नाम्रागं वामपादं हि दक्षिणजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र यां यां कूर्परां च यां यां करे च वत्करं भ्रुवो मध्ये गतं दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते. Next is Kubhasana on the other side. Asana Kauguna Jolo Jaye. Next is Matsyendrasana on the other side. Matsyendra Peetam Jadara Pradiptim Prachanda Rukmandala Khandanastram Abhyasada Kundalini Prabodham Dhandastiratvam Nidadadi Pumsat. Next is Padmasana. Bring feet onto opposite thigh, rest hand on the respective knee and bring gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in your third eye and japa Om Nityanandoham. Padmasana. Asanam Divitam Proktam Padmam Vajrasanam Tata Urdhvaropari Chedhatte Ube Padatale Yataha Padmasanam Bhavete Tat Sarva Papa Pranashanam. The next is Padmasana 2. Remaining in Padmasana, cross arms and hold opposite toes with index and middle fingers. Press the tongue against the teeth, inhaling through your mouth and exhaling through your nose, while gazing at the tip of your nose, engaging yourself in Moola Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in your third eye. Padmasana 2. उत्तानो चरणो कृत्वा ऊर्ध्वसंस्थाप्य प्रयत्नः रुवो मध्ये ततो तानो पानि कृत्वा तु तादृशो नासाग्रे विन्यदे दृष्टिं दण्डं मूलं च जिह्वया उत्तोल्य चिबुकं वक्ष्ये उत्थाप्य पवनं शनैः. The next is Kukutasana. Remaining in Padmasana, insert arm through your legs and palms spread on ground. Lean forward and lift body off the ground. Gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize rooster in your third eye and japa Om Nityanandoham Kukutasana. Padmasanam susamstapya januruvantare karo niveksha bhomo vashishtye Kukutasanaha. The next is Baddhakeki Asana. Remain in Padmasana. Rise up onto your knees and palms on floor. Fingers face you, elbows into the abdomen. Lean body onto elbows. Lift knee and head up and gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize peacock in your third eye. Baddhakeki Asana. Uchasano dhandavattutaihi mayurameda pravadanti pitam mayuram padmakam kuryat baddhakeke dikadayet. The next is Mayurasana. From Baddhakeki, extend leg behind, floating feet upward and gaze at your third eye, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize peacock in your third eye. Mayurasana. अतवक्षे महादेव मयूरासनमुत्तमं भूमो निपात्य हस्तो कूर्परोपरि देहकं कूर्परोपरि संस्थाप्य केवलं हस्तायुगलं शनैः. The next is Makarasana. Lay on floor and forehead on ground. Interlace fingers behind head and open leg toes to side, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize crocodile in your third eye and japa Om Mahasadashivoham. Makarasana. Adhyasa chete hridayam nidhaya bhumau cha pado cha prasaryamano sircha dhritva karadanda yugme dehaknikaram makarasanam tat. The next is Salabhasana. Hands on ground under shoulder. Keep legs together and raise thigh and feet off the floor. Visualize locust in your third eye and japa Om Mahasadashivoham, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha. Salabhasana. Adhyasa chete karayukma vaksho bhumin vastapya karayo stalabhyam padosha sunyosha vitascha chortvam vadanti pitam salabham munindra. The next is Ustrasana. Holding onto your feet and press heels to the buttocks while contracting abs and mouth, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize camel in your third eye. Ustrasana. Adhyasa chete padayukmavasto padayukmavastam prishte nidhapya dhridam karabhyam akunchayet samayukmavashtam ustrachana pitam yogino vadanti. The next is Dhanurasana. Hands hold respective feet, raise chest and thigh, bending the body like a bow as you balance on lower belly, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a bow in your third eye. Dhanurasana. Prasarya pado bhuvidandarupo karocha prishte dhridapadayukmam kritva dvangulishcha varityagam nigatya yogi dhanurasanam tat. The next will be moving to final japa, that is Om Paramashivoham. Next is Bhagasana. Rising yourself up and keep heels outside of hips and sit on knees with toes beneath groin while resting palms on respective knees, gazing at your third eye, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and visualize Swamiji in your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. Bhagasana. Dovu hata ki kahuni joyi puninana kalaye jane soyi. The next is Gogi Asana. Hold opposite elbow on ground, interlace finger, crown of head on ground, hands support your head. Walk feet in, press hips up and align hip over shoulder. Lift feet up, calves and thighs together and heels on buttocks, bringing knees to the tip of the chin. Gaze at your nose, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Gohi Asana. Dovu hata ki kahuni soyi puninana kalaye jane soyi. The next is Shirasasana. From Gohi Asana, maintain the base and core, extending feet up and straight, keeping the gaze at tip of your nose, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Shirasasanam. Viparidam mandalam cha द्वितीतै वितितं नितः दण्डासनं दिवित प्रोक्तं विपरीतोपवेक्षणे. The next is Podhyasana. Seated position, leg up straight and chest to the thigh, hands hold calves and head to knees, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Om Paramashivoham. Podhyasana. दो हाथ पगम बहारे आने गोड़ा तरीका कसी करवे. The next is Parigasana. Bring hand to opposite shoulder. Keep legs together at 45 degree, engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize mace in your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. Parigasana. मूलद्वार धरिति परिताने दावोपगा परितचि पदे आने. The next is Naukasana. Maintain leg 45 degree like a stick. Elbows and palms on ground. Engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and visualize boat in your third eye. Naukasana. उत्तान्य आसनं कूर्पराभ्यां भूमिन्वस्थाप्य हस्तो निधम्बं निधाय शिरोरोजङ्गपादं धारयेत् नौकासनं भवति. The next is Rudrasana. Sit up and keep back straight. Reach hand through legs and holding feet. Bring soles together and towards the chest. Gaze at your nose and engaging yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Lord Rudra in your third eye. Rudrasana. Pagatalli Samputakare Hadyasu Paga Uche Pagagi Agullato. The next is Unmukha Pitasana 2. Lay on back, knees bend and feet and hand on floor. Press hips up. Inhale, tuck chin in Jalanthara Bandha. Exhale slowly, engaging yourself in Jalanthara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Unmukha Pitasana. ऊर्ध्वचो जानूनि कृत्वा सवितोर्मुखं ततः उत्थाप्य हस्तो तिष्ठेतु पीठम् उन्मुखं ततः. The final asana is Shivasana. Stretch out leg and arms, palms facing upwards. Forcibly draw up the Kundalini for a few seconds in Shakti Chalana Mudra. Then completely relax the whole body, making it motionless like a dead body. Engaging, visualize Paramashiva or Swamiji in your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. Shivasana. Atha Shavasana Muttanam Savavad Bhumo Sanyanam Tu Shavasanam Shavasanam Shantiharam Chitta Vrishani Karakam. Paramashivoham. 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 Paramashivoham.
Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham.
Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch arms and legs out. Stretch side to side. Rack yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Head, neck, spine in a straight line. Hands in front of your heart in Namaskara Mudra. We will end the session with the chanting of the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sarvam Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Nityanandam, thank you for all.